Hey there, language explorers. Do you know these two phrasal verbs have distinct meanings? To understand their differences in usage, please look at the following examples. I call them to ask for more details. I always ask for extra tomato sauce on my pizza. There's a man at the gate asking for you. Ask for can have three different meanings. First, it means to request something. Second, you say it when you want someone to give you something. And lastly, you say it when you wish to speak to someone. Okay, now let's switch gears to ask about. Lisa asked me about the party last night. I met your friend at the cafe this morning and he asked about you. Just like ask for, ask about can also have multiple meanings. First, it means to inquire about something. Second, it means to inquire about someone's health or well-being. There you have it. Two phrasal verbs clear as the days. Remember, ask for is all about request and ask about is all about inquiry. Keep this in mind and you'll be chatting like a native in no time. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!